Good morning, children. Happy New Year to you all. We are starting the new year class with the new chapter, that is the time that which we had left before. Okay, let's start the chapter now. Okay, for the time first when you learn you may finding it difficult, but since we are using the time day-to-day life, so it will be easy for you. Afterwards, automatically you will learn by practice. You will be learning, but still you have to be whatever need to be learned in detail. Let's learn now. Okay, so time means the main thing. First thing what you are going to learn is the clock. So this is the clock. Okay, so I have drawn the clock. So I also will you all draw in different way the clock, but you don't write the numbers properly, so that I will teach you how to draw the clock. So clock, how to draw, let me just to show you one. So when you draw the clock, first you draw the circle, perfect circle or any shape you have to draw. After that, you see that you are dividing it in equally. This one should be divided into 12 equal parts equally. Okay, so to divide that, just you can draw with your pencil. No, lightly you have to draw. And in this lesson, whenever you draw the clock, you have to use only the pencil. Even inside these numbers, whatever you write, you will write with pencil. Understand? The answer when you write outside the clock. Okay, sorry, you are using only pencil, so you will be writing with pencil. Okay, no problem. I thought you are class 4. So you will write with pencil. So when you draw a perfect circle. Then after that, you have to divide it equally. Okay, so first with the pencil, just you draw lightly like this, a plus symbol. If you draw, then it will be easy for you to divide into 4 equal parts. Okay, lightly you divide like this, plus symbol. So when you divide the plus symbol, so now it will be easy. So here you can mark one line, small line, and here one mark, here and here. Okay, so this is the way you have to draw. This is plus symbol. No, when you draw the plus symbol, you will know. So this, when you divide, this is already, when you make a like this plus sign, this already have divided 4 equal parts. Then it is easy again. So now between this two. So now between these two parts, now we have to divide 2 equal parts. Okay, so I am drawing a line here, 2 equal parts. Again the same way, between these two lines, again 2 equal parts. Again between these two lines, 2 equal parts. Between these two lines, 2 equal parts. Like this, if you divide, then you will get a 12 equal parts. Okay, so this is the way. First you remember how to draw the clock. Some of you write the answer correctly, but when we see your clock, we cannot, because sometimes you have to draw the hands of the clock, so the numbers goes here and there, and it is not not a proper looking way. Okay, so first learn to draw the clock first like this. So this is the way the clock is divided into 12 equal parts. Okay, so in the clock, first what the main thing you are learning is the 2 hands. There are 2 hands. In some clock there will be 3 hands, but mostly in all the clocks there will be 2 hands, and the small hand, that is called the hour hand, and the longer one is the shorter one is the hour hand, and the longer one is the minute hand. This shorter one shows the hour, how many hour it is, and the longer one shows how many minutes it is. Okay, so the clock is, now we will learn, it is divided into 12 equal parts. Already I taught you how to divide into 12 equal parts. 12 equal parts. So this 12 equal parts says it tells about the hours. That means the clock is divided into 12 hours. Okay, so the clock is divided into 12 equal parts. So these 12 equal parts tells about the hours. Okay, again this each hour is again divided into 5 equal parts. So here we will see, here it is, see here 12 hour, here 1 hour, between here it is divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5. So the fifth line will be on the number again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that each hour is divided into 5 equal parts. So this 5 equal parts tells the minutes. So the one part is 1 minute, two part is 2 minutes. So like that 5 parts will be 5 minutes. So each minute is having 5 minutes. Each hour, between each hour there are 5 minutes. Between each number there are 5, not between each hour, between each number there are 5 minutes. So total it is divided into 12 equal parts, isn't it? So 12 into 5, 60. So total 60 minutes are there. So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. One hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, in the clock is having it is having 12 hours, but it is not in a day, it is 12 hours. So in half a day the clock make one full circle in one half a day. Okay, in a day it makes 2 circle. Okay, so it is 12 plus 12, it is 24 hours. So one day we have 24 hours. In one day we have 24 hours. In one day we have 24 hours. Again this each minute, again this minutes are again here it is not shown. Each minute is again divided into 5 equal parts. Like that each minute is divided into 5 equal parts means, so in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Okay, so that is not shown here. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. One minute equal to 60 seconds. So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in one day we have 24 hours, and 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Okay, now next let's see how to read the clock. Okay, so to read the clock you must know the right side and the left side. This is the right side and this is the left side. I have given here right side and the left side. So how to read the time? Let's see. See, each hour, I told you each hour is divided into 5 equal parts, isn't it? So in 1 minute, when minute hand is in 1, it is 5 minutes. First let's learn to read the minutes. Okay, so when it is 1, it is 5 minutes. When the minute hand will be in 2, it will be 10 minutes. When the minute hand will be in 3, it will be 15 minutes. And the minute hand will be in 8, it is 40 minutes. So how these numbers came? This is very easy. It is not very difficult. Just to multiply this number by 5. 7 into 5, 35. 7 5s are 35. So when it is in 7, it is 35 minutes. When it is in 10, 10 into 5, 50. So it will be 50 minutes. So like this way the minutes are, you have to read the minutes. Okay, so minute is, it is not very difficult. Just you have to look at the minute hand where it is, that just you look at the number and multiply by 5. And you have to be careful when it is in 12. 12, when it is in 12, 12 into 5, 60, isn't it? So you will not write 60 minutes. So when it is in 12, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So already we have seen 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So we will say, when it comes, when the minute hand is in 12, we will say o'clock. It is exactly what time it is, that we will say o'clock. Now it is in 8, so we say 8 o'clock. Understand? If the hour hand is in 5, we say 5 o'clock. Understand? Only when it is in 12, you will not write the minutes. You will write o'clock. Okay. All other things you have to calculate the minutes and write. Again, another thing, to write, when you will write, you will be writing the time in figures and in words. So figures is easy. Just you read the hour and you will read the minute and write it. That's all. You write the hour first and then you keep a 2 dot and you write the minutes. But when you write in figures, when you write in words, you have to use another rule. So you have to see whether the minute hand is on the right side or the left side. When the minute hand is on the right side, then you read the time, you read the minute and you write, you read the minute and you write the minutes past. You read the minute and write minutes past. Understand? When it is on the left side, suppose the minute hand is on the left side, then you have to write minutes too. You will not write the exact minutes, remaining minutes. You have to find the remaining, how many minutes are left to reach the 12. Okay, so remaining minutes, and you have to write the minutes too. When it is on the left side, you will write minutes too. When it is on the right side, you will write minutes past. And when it is in 3, you can write 15 minutes, and 15 minutes past you will write, but the perfect way of writing is quarter past. When it is 15, you write quarter past, and when it is in 6, it is 30 minutes, but you will write half past. It is half an hour when it is in 6. And when it is in 9, it is 45 minutes, but the correct way of writing, you will write quarter to. Okay, so this is the way you will calculate the minutes. Okay, now let's see how to write the hour in figures and minutes. See here, here the minute hour hand. First, when you write in figures, you have to write the hour first. Okay, so the hour hand, you see it is not, you don't see the next number, just you have to see the previous number only, where the minute hand is there. The minute hand is not on 5, not on 6. Okay, so since it is not on 5 and not on 6, so you will be confused now which number to write. So it has just passed the 5, isn't it? But it has not yet touched 6. If it is touched 6 only, you can write 6, but it is not yet touched 6, so you have to write 5 only. So you will write in hour 5. Okay, and the minute. Now for the minute, you have to look at the minute hand. So in minute hand, it is in 2, so minute will be 2 into 5, 10. 2 5s are 10. So the minute will be 10 minutes. So 5 hour and 10 minutes, 5:10. So the time is 5:10. Okay, so in figures, when you write hour, you write first, and the minute you write the second. But when you write in words, you have to write the minutes first and the hour second. Okay, so here when it is on the this is on the minute hand is on the right side. Okay, so the right side is very easy. When you write in words and the figures, the minutes and the hours will not change. Here the hour is 5, here also hour is 5. In the minutes is 10, here also the minutes is 10. So it will not change. So suppose, okay, left side only it will be changing. Okay, so here first you have to write the minutes first. So here it is in 2, the minute hand is in 2. So 2 means it is 2 into 5, 10 minutes. So 10 minutes past. When it is on the right side, already I have told you have to write past. So 10 minutes past the hour. So the hour is 5, so 5. 10 minutes past 5. So when in the right side, both will be same in figures and the words. It is nothing difficult. But when it is on the left side there will be a change. Okay, so here you see figures. When you write in the figures, you have to write the hour first. So when you see here, the minute hand is on 10. So when it is 10, so it will be almost near 3, but it will not be exactly, it will not be exactly 3. Okay, it will be almost to 3. So you will not write 3 hour. Okay, it has not yet touched 3. So you cannot write 3. So you have to write what it has passed. It has passed to only 2 hour. So the 2 hour only you will write 2 hour, and the minutes. The figure is easy only, same minute only you will write. So the minutes will be, minute hand is in 10. So the minutes will be 10 into 5, 50. So 50 minutes. So 250 when you write in figures. But when you write in words, it will change. Okay, it will entirely change the minute and the hour. So here first you have to write the minutes, isn't it? So when you write the minutes, the minute hand is in 10. So it is 50 minutes. So you will not write 50 minutes too. When you write in the left side, you have to write the 2, isn't it? Minutes too. So you will not write 50 minutes too. Okay, so you have to, here you have to see how many minutes are left. It has to reach 12. Okay, now it is in 10. Okay, it has to reach 12. So to reach 12, how many numbers it has to go? 1, 2. 11 it has to go, again 12 it has to go. So 2 numbers it has to go. So 2 numbers, between 2 numbers, how many minutes will be there? Here 5 minutes and here 5 minutes. So 2 into 5, 10 minutes. So there are two numbers it has to cross to reach 12. So 2 into 5, 10 minutes. So it has still 10 minutes left to reach the next hour. Okay, 10 minutes are there. So 10 minutes to, how many minutes are left you have to find. Understand? 10 minutes to the next hour. So now it is just passed from 2. It has not yet reached 3, isn't it? So the next hour is 3. So you have to write 10 minutes to 3. Understand? So if you don't understand the hour, in figure what you have written here 2 you have written means here in words it will be 3. That's all. And here in figure you have written 50 means total 60 hours, isn't it, in 1 hour. So how many minutes are left from 60? It is already 50 minutes are over. 50 minutes are over. So how many minutes are left to become 60? 10 minutes are left, isn't it? 60 minus 50, 10. So 10 minutes to 3. Suppose you are finding it difficult to read the time. This is the way you can figures. For you, figures will be easy to find the answer in figures. In figures it will be easy to write the answer because exactly you look at the hour and you look at the minutes and write. So when you write in words, when it is on the left side, it is difficult for you. So it is very easy. You see in figures it is 50 minutes. So from this 50 you minus from 60. So 60 minus 50, 10. So 10 minutes to the next hour. Here it is 2 hours. So the next hour will be 3 hours. So 10 minutes to 3. So you have to be careful when you write in left side. Right side is easy. Okay, now let's see. Now let's see when it is in when it is in 6, 3 and 9, how to write. So first 6 I have given in different color so that it will be easy for you. The white color it is in 60. Okay, so 60, white is in it is 6. So this one how to read the time. So now see here, first you have to read the hour. So the hour is what? It is the hour, the minute hand, hour hand will be between 1 and 2. Since it is in the middle of 1 and 2, it has not touched 2. So you cannot write 2 o'clock. Okay, so you have to write 1 only. So 1 hour. Again minutes. Minutes is what? It is in 6. So 6 means 6 into 5, 30 minutes. So 130. Okay, 130 when you write in figures. And when you write in words, already I told if it is in 6, it is half past. And the hour is what now? 1 hour. So half past 1. Okay, so now the green color is it is in 9. Okay, so here how will you write this? Also not at reach 2, it is still just past 1, but it will be near to 2. So you cannot write it is 2 o'clock. So it has not at exactly touched the 2. So you have to write 1 and the minute will be in 9. So 9 into 5, 45. So the minutes is 45. So 145. In figures it is 145. And when you write in words, in 9 means it is quarter to. So you will write quarter to the next hour. So here 1 hour. So the next hour is 2. So quarter to 2. Okay, now next one, the blue color. The blue color. Blue color I have changed here. It is in 3. Minute hand is in 3 and the hour hand is just past 7. Okay, just past 7. Okay, so when you write the time, first you write the hour. Okay, it is not at touched the 8. It has just past 7. So the hour will be 7. The hour is 7 and it is in 3. So the minutes will be 3 into 5, 15. So the time is 7:15. And when you write in words, when it is in 3, already I told it is quarter past. It is quarter past. So you write quarter past. Again, the hour is what? 7. Already we have seen here 7. So quarter past 7. Okay. Now let's see AM and PM. AM and PM is very easy. Midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12. It is AM. So the night time you are sleeping, that time to 12 noon you are in the school. Suppose if you come to school, the school time, the break, you have the middle break and you have your tiffin. Up to that time it is AM. Again from noon 12 to midnight, the time when you are in deep sleep, that is the PM. Okay, so the midnight 12, when you mention the midnight 12, so we have 12 o'clock will be coming midnight 12 and noon 12. So when you mention, you cannot just write 12 o'clock. So we will not know which 12 o'clock it is. So midnight 12 o'clock you have to write AM and the noon 12 you have to write PM. Okay, so the same way morning, suppose if you are 8:30, I come to school. When you if you write 8:30, I come to school. So that 8:30 is there morning and evening. Okay, so night also 8:30 is there. So you must be careful. In morning when you write, it is 8:30 a.m. And night, suppose some may be having 8:30 dinner and some may be sleeping. So that 8:30 will be p.m. Okay, so here I have written the school starting time is 8:30, morning 8:30 you come to school, that is a.m. morning a.m. it is, and the school getting over at 1:45, it is afternoon, so it is 45 p.m. 1:45 p.m. So it is very easy. Okay, so this am and pm 3.2 exercise is there, just a few like fill in the blanks only, there is no calculation, just you can fill up am and pm. So 3.2 will be your homework, and 3.1 just you have to read the clock and write the time in words and figures. Again you have to write the you have to draw the hours of the, you have to draw the hands of the clock. So that is very easy only. So 3.1 and 3.2 you can complete and submit it on Saturday. Thank you.